Here's how to add watermarks to your videos. Open up browser, go to YouTube, then go to YouTube Studio. Here we want to open up our settings. Go to channel settings, branding, and make sure your picture is 150 pixels times 150 pixels and the size is less than 1 megabyte. Choose an image. I've already created such an image, so I'll just open this image. And here you can choose if you want this image to be at the end of your video or at some custom times. I want this to be at the end of my videos, so I'll leave the settings like this and I'll hit save. And there you go. Now you have successfully watermarked your videos.